In the cheerful town of Sunshine Village, a delicious smell was floating through the air, curling out of windows and dancing across the garden paths. Little Amara, with her bright eyes and bouncy braids, dashed into the kitchen. She found Mum giggling, stirring something in a big shiny pot. "Mum, what are we cooking? It smells amazing!" cried Amara, almost bouncing with excitement. Mom smiled and hugged Amara tightly. "Today, we're making jollof rice for our family party. And guess what? You are my special helper." Amara clapped her hands. "I'm ready, let's do it." Mum winked. Every magic recipe starts with clean hands. Amara hurried to the sink, making lots of foamy bubbles as she washed. Step 1. Wash the rice. Mum poured rice into a big bowl, grains shining like tiny pearls. "First, we wash the rice so it's clean," she said. Amara added water, giggling as she swirled the rice around. Swish, swish, swish! The water turned cloudy white. They washed again and again until the water was clearer. "Clean rice cooks fluffy and nice," said Mom. Step 2. Make the tomato mix. Mom showed Amara the vegetables: bright red tomatoes, shiny peppers, and onions. "Let's blend them," said Amara. They dropped the veggies into the blender. Whir, whir, whir! Out came a thick red sauce. Mom poured it into a pot. The sauce bubbled and sizzled, filling the kitchen with a delicious smell. Sizzle, bubble, simmer! Step 3. The spice magic. Mom opened her special spice box. Inside, little jars glittered. "These are the magic flavors." Amara's eyes widened. "What do they do?" Mom explained: salt for balance, curry powder for warmth and golden color, thyme for fresh green flavor, bay leaf for a rich aroma, black pepper for a tiny kick, paprika for gentle warmth, and seasoning powder for tasty magic. Mom sprinkled tiny pinches into the bubbling pot. Suddenly, the kitchen smelled like a magical feast. Amara whispered, "It's spice magic." Mom laughed. "Spices are strong. We use just enough." Step 4. Add the rice. The sauce was thick and shiny. Mom poured in the washed rice. Amara stirred slowly, careful not to spill. They added a little water and covered the pot. Step 5. The waiting game. "Cooking takes patience," said Mom. Amara peeked at the pot. Steam puffed out, and the rice soaked up all the tasty sauce, turning a beautiful orange red. "It's changing," Amara cheered. Step 6. Fluff, garnish with sweet corn and share. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.